very much. As a matter of fact, the party handed over to us the name of one candidate. In other words, it was one candidate that aspirant that was that got the expression of interest form, and he was the only one by name His Excellency Peter Gregory Obi. So we had no option than to interview him, and you can see we spent over almost 2 hours screening him, and he satisfied all the requirements stipulated by our party for a candidate to emerge as a presidential candidate. He satisfied all the conditions stipulated by the constitution of our party, the Electoral Act, and of course the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. So we found him very qualified, and subsequently he was cleared.
So indirectly, your party is having only one candidate for the office of president.
Exactly, that's what it means. One candidate who is eminently qualified, having satisfied all these conditions.
You see, according to your press release pasted out here, forms are still being on the plates for sales. If we have somebody else who will pick up form tomorrow morning, will the party still have chance to give form for others?
Well, the party has cleared the candidate, and the party has also given him nomination forms. So until that time, we wait and see.
Sir, what happens to other aspirants of the party?
Well, the screening continues tomorrow, and will last until the 26th of this month, as specified by the party.
Sir, your party, in conjunction with a movement, had summit for aspirants. This is coming for the first time that your party is doing this. So why do you do that?
You see, we want to show example. We want to tell Nigerians that this is a new party, a party that has come to change the way things are done in this country. We want to make sure that if this party produces a government, that this government will actually set a lot of things aright. And that is why this party is coming up with innovations that have not been there before, so that people will know, people have been clamoring for change. And this change will start from the party and will translate to the government eventually, so that people will now know that government wants to serve the people. Government that wants to serve the people for the interests of Nigerians. So we want to change a lot of things. It's not business as usual. And that is why you see a lot of people triple into the party. This new party, look at the candidates, look at the people the aspirants, Tokali P2B and Kwakwaso. These are people that want to change things, and you can see the youths. Almost everybody wanted to troop into the party because of these two individuals.
I want to come to that issue of youth. You slashed the money, the amount for obtaining forms. Is it because you are looking into business of having much people? That's why you are slashing it for youth?
Well, it's not only for youths, for everybody. But you see, any country that does not encourage the youths is not actually progressive. So we have to understand, and if you look at the demography, the youths constitute more than 40 or 50% of the population. So we need to work and look at what they want and make it easier for them to, because they are the leaders of tomorrow. So we have to actually demonstrate that by words, not by action, not only by words.
After the screening tomorrow, what is your party expecting from others?
It's not only tomorrow. It continues, like I told you, the screening will end by the 26th of this month. So it's a continuous process.
What message do you have for your aspirants and members of the party?
Yeah, they should look at this as a sports, as a game. They should come with it with the spirit of sportsmanship. Everybody must not be a president. Everybody must not be a member of House of Representatives, the senator or House of Rep. You come to participate with the aim of helping to build the party. And if for any reason you don't succeed, you wait for next time. So it's not a do or die issue. It's a matter of let me try to put my own input. And if it doesn't work, next time I'll try again. So that we work as a team for the interest. Look, in many countries of the world, then including African countries, election is not do or die. Sometimes people just go on election day, you won't see violence, you won't see policemen on the road, you won't see soldiers on the road. It's not a war. African countries that were bigger than are doing it better than us. So we want to change that narrative and make sure that we show example. Naija should be the greatest democracy in Africa because of our population. But the story is reverse, and we want to change it.
As fast-growing party chairman in the country and part of the world, a party that is growing faster, what advice do you have for other political parties?
They should learn to do it right and learn to serve. Election is all about service. It's all about service. It's not about grabbing money or suppression of people. You have to work for the interest of the people. You have to come there to serve. It is after service that any other thing can follow.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you. Let's snap them.